Instead of eating a whole chocolate apple, you're just eating a slice, so it's just a taste.
Better apple to chocolate ratio.
I think so.
Rather than like a whole apple.
Who wants the inside of the apple? You just want the outside, right? This part.
What have you made, Kristen?
We made chocolate dipped apples with an assortment of toppings.
They look fun.
So it's like a chocolate covered apple.
Yeah.
But less because it's just a slice.
Oh, is this what it was before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
just
so
a slice
cute.
of apple.
If you cut it, you can even turn it into a heart for Valentine's Day.
Oh, sure. We'll show you how to make them and you can try it at home. So we're gonna do them in slices. Okay, so we have our apple slices. Now we're just gonna pat these apples dry. Now we are going to melt some chocolate. Now we're just going to put a stick in all of these. You can't go too hard. I'm gonna chop some of these peanuts for our toppings. All right, and then we will dip them in the chocolate. And then put whatever toppings you want on it. So this one, I'm gonna put some crushed peanuts. And we'll do a bit of sprinkles. And then with this one, we're gonna use some of this Speculoos spread. Such a great activity to do with kids over the holidays. They can help out and put whatever toppings they want.
What's your go-to out of the 3 flavors here?
I think I like the peanuts. And then that's Speculoos.
Can you mix and match some?
Oh, for sure. The peanuts
And caramel. Mm-hmm.
Let's try that. That's really good. So we just melted the chocolate,
Yes,
dipped them in,
yes.
sprinkled, and then you have your slice of apple instead of your whole
I
apple.
like that.
And then you just let it set and you eat them.
So good.
I know, right?
Well done.
Should I melt more chocolate and do the rest?
No, we're out of time.
Okay then.
It's a good way to eat a snack. Never mind.
Hold on, let's just try a little bit. Oh, that's good.
This is good. Hey, apple on a stick is pretty good.